Oh my gosh, this is miserable!
Everyone, meet Lance. Lance is a super cool kid that has been a very big fan from the second he heard about my channel. I used to always see this little red-headed kid named Michael riding his bike coming down the road near my house. So one day I decided to pull over and give him one of my stickers. Michael then showed a few of his friends the channel, and one day, while the rest of the motorcycle group was at a nearby McDonald's, Lance showed up there too, and he recognized a few of the bikes. He asked them if they were friends with the Riding with Rye guy, so naturally they said, "Who even is that guy? He probably sucks. He probably doesn't even stunt. He probably rides the speed limit. What a loser. More like riding with gay guy. Ha!" They said yes, and a few minutes later the kid messaged me on Instagram saying, "Are you riding with Rye guy?" with a space between the with and Rye, but it's fine. Everything's fine. And I naturally said, yes sir. And here and there we message each other on Instagram. He always likes and comments on my posts and is always sure to leave a comment below every video that I make. So it's kids like Lance that make doing all this pretty much worth it. Also, shout out to him for the sweet deal on the new GoPro. Super excited about being able to use that. So, thank you very much, Lance. Shout out to you, buddy. And now, what you've all been waiting for.
Alright, so let's see how this works. Alright. Ugh. How to pop start a motorcycle. No, that's fine.
Are you little?
We gotta be somewhere, buddy. What's up, dude? I make YouTube videos. Check it out. Huh? Okay, my turn. Huh? Wow, this is fun.
Ryan, would you take the down off-roading?
Maybe, not right now.
No, not hard off. No, it's not like off-roading. There's a little trail that we can go down to the river.
Okay.
And it'll be cool footage. Look.
So what are we doing?
They're getting on our bikes and we're going into the train. No, you get on.
I want to ride on yours. I want to ride on yours, baby.
Boy, if you don't get...
Hurry up, Hunter, come on.
Oh yeah. Oh.
This is hot. That groundhog just chilling right there. Oh my gosh, this is miserable! Well, we're testing out the new suspension and it works pretty well. How are they able to go so fast through this?
Pause. That says penis.
Oh man. Did they go this way? Yeah, they did. I can hear them. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Are you sure?
Go back.
Hey, where did you guys go? We lost you on the trail.
You can go back and then take that road, see if it goes that opening.
Yeah.